Hey everybody, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel right down there in that corner. All right, let's get this one started. We have a Volkswagen Tiguan 2015. The customer states that the water is leaking in on the floor here. It's all wet on the driver's side. So we went ahead and started looking at the sunroof. The sunroof drain is open. We poured some water, it drained right in. Then I noticed that there was some water leaking right there. So I went ahead and got my plastic tool and I pulled this panel off. And inside here, you can see right, gonna get the camera in here, right there, that is the tube and the rubber piece for the sunroof. G Junior, go ahead and pour a little bit of water in there. Okay. And hopefully you are going to be able to see the water right there. Stop, that's enough, that's enough. That has come unplugged. So we're gonna try, I don't know how I'm gonna get in there. I'm gonna get in there and try to replug that in, maybe put a hose clamp on. Let me get it reconnected and see what I can do, and we'll come back. Okay, well, I was able to push the piece back in, but I have it disconnected again because the tube has seemed to shrunk. So I went ahead and I pulled the A-pillar out, and here is the rubber hose for the sunroof drain, and it just pulls out of here. And you can see originally, hold that please, you can see originally that it was this far in the connector down there. Now it's barely in there because this hose must have shrunk. We're gonna have to lengthen this hose or get a new one, but the problem is the new one runs on up and goes on up in there, and the only way to fix that would be to pull the headliner out, and I really don't want to pull the headliner out to replace the whole hose. So I think maybe what I'm going to do is I'll split this hose in between the two clamps and put an extension in so it will fit down in the drain better. I'll come back and show you what I've done. All right, so like I said, I pulled this A-pillar off. The problem is this tube has shrunk. And the only way to replace this tube is you're gonna have to pull the whole headliner out. I think there's a better way to do this. So this A-pillar cover panel, there's a clip here and a clip here. It goes in that clip there and that clip there. If I cut this here, I have a piece of hard plastic that's got, you know, a bullet end on it so it'll fit tight, and then this piece will slide into the other end. I also have two very nice fuel injection clamps, and I'll put that in there, and then I will have plenty of extra space to put that in. You can see, am I even on it? Yeah, you can see right there, it's a good 1/4 of an inch sticking out where it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be pushed farther in. Trying to get the light so you can see it. It needs to be pushed in there farther, almost up to that dimple. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut it and fix it, and I'll come back and show you what it looks like when it's done. All right, I went ahead and put my plastic splice in. I have two good fuel injection hose clamps on it, and this actually runs all the way down to here. So in case I need to lengthen it in the future, I'll be able to. And now, if you look in there, you can see I am really, really far. There was like markings on that, and now the markings are gone. We've already ran some water through it. It's flowing good. I think this is gonna take care of his problem. We're gonna come in here and we're gonna wipe everything down, vacuum everything up real good to try to get most of the water out. We've already ran water down it, it's good. We'll clean up all the panels because I got a couple of handprints there and some footprints there, but we'll clean that all up. So this one should be fixed. All right, everybody. Thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe. You can always do that in that corner there, and then you can give me a thumbs up at the end of the video. All right, everybody. Thanks a lot for watching.